You just stepped into a smart home revolution. Imagine being able to unlock your front door from your phone, grant temporary access to your Airbnb guests, or even receive a notification whenever someone enters or exits your home. This isn't science fiction. It's the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock, a cutting-edge device that's bringing the world of intelligent home security to your fingertips. For too long, smart locks have been limited by their reliance on complicated wiring and proprietary systems. The Schlage Encode has shattered this mold with its sleek design and built-in Wi-Fi compatibility. This isn't just a lock. It's a seamless integration into the heart of your smart home. So what's behind the Schlage Encode's revolutionary design? This stylish matte black lock boasts a robust build quality that exudes premium sophistication. The touchscreen keypad is a marvel of modern technology, responding effortlessly to even the lightest touch. The keypad itself is also backlit, making it easy to navigate in the dead of night or in low-light conditions. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Schlage Encode is built to last, with a robust steel body and a 5-pin deadbolt that resists prying and tampering. The touchscreen keypad also boasts a durable finish that withstands the rigors of daily use. You can trust the Schlage Encode to keep your home and family safe for years to come. Now, let's dive into the most critical features that make the Schlage Encode a standout in the world of smart locks. With the Schlage Home app, you can unlock and lock your door from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a stable internet connection. This means you can let in a repair person, grant access to a neighbor, or even let yourself in when you arrive home after a long day. But that's just the beginning. The Schlage Encode also allows you to manage up to 100 unique access codes, perfect for granting temporary access to Airbnb guests, babysitters, or other service providers. You can also view a detailed lock history, complete with timestamps and a record of every access event. Receive customizable notifications when your lock is accessed, and easily manage multiple locks at once, all with the Schlage Home app. One of the most remarkable features of the Schlage Encode is its ability to integrate seamlessly with popular smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home. Imagine being able to unlock your door with just a voice command, or receiving notifications directly on your smart display. This level of integration is unmatched in the industry, making the Schlage Encode an ideal choice for those already invested in the smart home ecosystem. But don't just take my word for it. Let's put the Schlage Encode through some real-world testing. I set up the lock in my own home, and within minutes, I was effortlessly unlocking and locking the door from my phone. I also received customized notifications whenever someone accessed the lock, providing me with unparalleled peace of mind. In terms of performance, I was blown away by the speed and responsiveness of the Schlage Encode. The touchscreen keypad responds lightning fast to even the lightest touch, and the deadbolt engages with a smooth, reassuring click. Of course, as with any smart device, there are some trade-offs to consider. The Schlage Encode requires a stable internet connection to function, and the battery life can be affected by frequent use. So what are the pros and cons of the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock? On the plus side, the lock's sleek design and seamless integration with smart home systems make it an instant standout in the industry. The Schlage Home app provides unparalleled convenience and control, and the ability to manage up to 100 access codes is a game-changer for homes with frequent visitors. On the downside, the Schlage Encode is priced on the higher end of the smart lock spectrum, and the battery life can be affected by heavy use. Additionally, some users may be put off by the requirement for a stable internet connection. But how does the Schlage Encode compare to competing options on the market? In short, it stands head and shoulders above the competition. The Schlage Encode's sleek design, seamless integration with smart home systems, and unparalleled access control make an ideal choice for anyone serious about home security. So what's the final verdict? In my opinion, the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock is a game-changer in the world of smart home security. Its unbeatable design, seamless integration with smart home systems, and unparalleled access control make it an instant must-have for anyone serious about keeping their home and family safe. If you're in the market for a top-tier smart lock, I highly recommend giving the Schlage Encode a serious look. With a 30-day money-back guarantee and a robust warranty, You could trust that this lock will provide years of hassle-free service. Don't settle for anything less. Upgrade to the Schlage Encode today and experience the future of home security for yourself.